Hello and welcome. Today I have a Lazy Boy recliner back on the bench, and this back is going to get a new back frame installed. But that's really not the main point of this video. There's something really cool about this back that I want to show you. You see this zipper along the bottom of the frame here? This upholstered back is actually a one-piece slip cover, and that makes doing repairs to this back a breeze. Traditionally, an upholstered back would consist of two separate back panels. The inside back, which contains and holds the padding, is attached to the back frame. And then a separate panel, the outside back panel, is attached on top of that with three tack strips, usually a top tack strip here and one on each side. Now, if you've ever removed and reinstalled upholstery panels or fabric panels, you know that it takes some patience and some basic upholstery skills to do the job correctly. Well, with this slipcover type design, that's no longer the case. So next, let's see how easy this slipcover makes installing a new back frame. I did remove a couple of staples in advance that were used to pin the cover in place on the bottom of the frame. Okay, let's go ahead, open the zipper, and remove this cover. Actually, I didn't take this off in advance to see how easy it was. This is the first time I've removed one. And by the way, I should mention, this is the first time I've had one of these in my shop. This particular chair was made in 2016, so I'm not sure if they include this type of cover now on all Lazy Boy recliner backs or not, but look for it if you're doing any back repairs, because as you can see, it makes the job a lot easier. Now, before I put the cover back on, an upholstering trick that I want to show you. Wherever you have sharp edges on your back frame here, that's a potential area that can tear or pierce the inside of your cover, your upholstery cover. So what you want to do is take a tack hammer and blunt those corners, those sharp edges, before you install your cover. Now I'll reinstall this thin foam because it also serves that same purpose of adding some protection between the back frame and the upholstery. Okay, we've got our new back frame ready to install. Let's put the slipcover back on. There you have it. Installation of a new back frame in a Lazy Boy recliner back with a slipcover. That's it for this video. See you next time.